Google Maps is an online service that furnishes its users with comprehensive information about geographical locations and various regions across the globe. Beyond conventional road maps, Google Maps also provides satellite imagery for numerous areas worldwide, thereby rendering the task of finding what you're searching for is incredibly easy. Google Maps also provides the ability to roughly determine the time needed to arrive at a particular location. It also lets you select the shortest possible paths to your destination, all while taking into account current traffic congestion. Understanding how Google Maps works is the main key to earning profit from it correctly and achieving the highest possible return. This allows for professional profitability from Google Maps. For those unaware of Google algorithms, Google Maps helps by providing detailed assistance in finding a specific location, identifying the quickest routes to reach that place swiftly, offering precise directions, and accurately pinpointing your location during navigation. You can earn up to $2,000 monthly by working with Google Maps. This is achieved by adding your office or company to Google Maps and by creating a website specifically for your office or company. Improving the office or company's ranking in Google Maps, and also social media marketing and responding to customer reviews on Google Maps. We will explain each of these methods one by one. However, prior to commencing work, establish a straightforward personal website where you can present your e-marketing services or register on a microservice platform and explicitly detail the services you provide. This enhances the professional aspect of your work when interacting with a client. You can also add your own location to Google Maps as a business location, including your name and photo. Here are a few seller pages from ComSat that offer Google Maps review boosting services. Feel free to browse them and get a sense of the potential earnings you could achieve once you master this method. Before we start, like and subscribe to the channel. First, we will search for clients. You can access Google Maps from your computer, and you're also able to log in from any place in the world. Search for restaurants or hotels, for example. For instance, search for restaurants in Berlin. On the left, you will see the restaurants and their customer reviews, and they will appear in order from the restaurants with the highest customer reviews to those with fewer customer reviews. Navigate to the last page of the search results to find a restaurant that has a low number of customer reviews, and then proceed to visit the restaurant's website. You can now make contact through the address located on the website, specifically via email. Retain the email address. You will send them a message proposing your marketing services, which involve assisting them to achieve top search results on Google by boosting their customer reviews on Google Maps, or creating a website for them if they do not already possess one, or publishing their site and advertising it on social media pages. Send the client a message similar to this. Just input the necessary information within the brackets. The message text is in the description box below this video. Second, add business location on Google Maps. Suppose you found and contacted a client, and they've requested that you add their business location on Google Maps. Proceed to Google My Business and then sign in there. Click on Manage Locations, then click on Add Location. In the next step, type in your business name and click Next. Choose your business category. Select your specific business type from the list, then proceed by clicking Next. In the following step, choose Yes or No. This allows customers to visit your business location as it operates. Enter your address, the country, street name, city, and province, then click Next. Here, you need to select your specific location and place the pin directly on it. Click on Next. It will then inquire if you provide these services beyond your immediate region. Ask the client for the answers to these questions. Proceed to the next step. In this step, add the areas where you provide your services. Please enter the mobile number and, if available, the website. Click Finish. The location information you provided will then be reviewed. Remember to also add photos and list all the services your business offers. Click on Save, then choose your working days and hours. Enter a business description, then add your photos or logo. Now, the location will be reviewed and will appear. Once it's approved, within a maximum of 24 hours. And that's pretty much all there is to it when it comes to setting up a location for the company, office, restaurant, or hotel you contacted, from which you found a client who wishes to list their location on Google Maps. The second method is to find a business location for a client, even if they don't have their own website. There are many businesses that add a geographical location to Google Maps but do not possess a website. This is where you can take advantage and start profiting. With utmost simplicity, just search for any office or company, click on it, and its information will appear in the list, including the website. All you have to do is, when you find an office, company, or any business that doesn't have a website, here, you contact them via email or phone number and offer to create a website specifically for them and then add it to Google Maps. And explain to them the importance of taking such a step in increasing their marketing and selling their products. And through this method, you can make a lot of profit. Of course, for a step like this, you must be knowledgeable about how to do website design, whether by using programming languages, traditional website design, or by using the Blogger or WordPress platforms. The simplest method is to purchase a website creation service from microservice platforms. You can purchase it for a low price, and in return, you will add a website to Google Maps for your client.